And what would you say is the experience of participants or students with online Zoom teaching?
Well, I think it gives them a lot of opportunity to feel comfortable in their own space. It's like even here, I'm working in my studio where I feel comfortable. I have my supplies around me, and I can feel prepared to show up for class. Um, and then I can work the way I kind of want to. I think also in terms of the interactive element, there is a way to see everybody on screen and to focus on who needs to be in focus at different times. Like sometimes in an in-person class, you have to really set up a space so that people can hear each other and see each other and stay focused, which sometimes can be an issue. Like say you want to create a circle of everybody sitting together so that they can see and hear each other, but there might not be even enough space in the classroom to do that. So then you have challenges in the classroom towards who you focus on and how. And I think even just with the camera frame, people can focus the way they need to in different ways. Yeah. So I've really taken advantage of screen sharing. So I found a lot of resources online, such as videos, and I've created some presentations which are nice little pieces of research for even teachers to use and go back to and say like, okay, here's how we're going to lay out our workshop. There's points on it with the text written so that kids can, or any participants can read and follow along. It's kind of like I think it does really use all the senses and all the different ways of learning. It's just through this small screen, so it's not an in-person reaction. One thing that I've been surprised about is how well you can still move and be physical within this frame. I think a lot of the times when I teach workshops, they are theater-based workshops, so we're doing a lot of exercises where we move in the space and we move around, and that's something I really miss about in-person workshops. But I have found that there's ways to still engage with movement and being physical while still being connected to each other in the camera frame. So you'd be surprised. I would say like the most important thing to communicate to teachers is that it's still really important to have artists in the classroom, like not just artists online, but like artists who can facilitate in this way that's about quick thinking, and it's about being open to new ideas, and it's about doing something together that is a creation amongst everybody. I think that's what I am still teaching through this platform, and I think that's the important thing for teachers to still keep in mind is that the the art learning, the creative learning is what's important to continue to have even if it is online.